Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick video on my handlebar setup on my Honda VTX1300. Over the years I've gotten a couple of questions about my handlebar setup on my Honda VTX. So today I'm just going to go through real quick on what exactly is the setup. All right, so first, if you zoom down here, you'll see that I have an adapter. This is the bearing handlebar adapter for the Honda VTX. It converts the handlebars, actually converts the handlebar riser spacing to 3.5 inches to allow you to put on Harley-Davidson style handlebars and risers. It's designed to work with risers or drag bars with 1/2 inch by 13 threads. So that's what this is down here on top of my, on the top of the triple tree. My second setup is just a 2-inch riser. Just a simple 2-inch riser. And then last but not least is these bars. These are 16-inch ape hangers for touring bikes, for touring Harleys, like the road glides and street glides. They've been out a long time now. I remember this, I did this setup about 4 years ago now, and I had this bike for quite some time. So, and that's simple as that. I ran all the wiring from the handlebars, you know, the switches and everything, through the bars, and the wiring comes out here, you know, for both sides. All the wiring for the switches is through the bars, and it comes out here where it goes into the main harness inside of the headlight. This adapter, this bearing adapter, I picked up off of eBay, but they sell them at mostly all the little motorcycle stores online and at local motorcycle shops. And it comes with the, all you do is remove your old handlebars, and the adapter comes with screws that you screw in through the bottom into the adapter that to mount this adapter to your top triple tree. And then you just whatever risers, or if you have drag bars you want to use, in my case risers, you just bolt in your risers to the adapter, and then whatever bar you want to put on, and that's it. So that's just a quick little video on how to on my setup on this 2007 Honda VTX 1300. This adapter works on the 1800 too, just in case you want to know. All right, until next time, I'm out.